Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Now, last night at the 2018 American Music Awards, pop superstar Taylor Swift broke the record for most AMAs won by a woman, adding 4 more awards, bringing her total to a whopping 23. She carried home the awards for Artist of the Year, Favorite Female Artist, Pop Rock, Favorite Album Pop Rock, and defeated Jay-Z and Beyonce by copping the award for Tour of the Year. Surprisingly though, Canadian rapper Drake had a whopping 8 nominations. He did not win any. Hosted by Blackish star Tracee Ellis Ross, the event featured jaw-dropping performances from Mariah Carey, Taylor Swift, Cardi B featuring Bad Bunny and J Balvin, Ciara featuring Missy Elliott, Dua Lipa, Jennifer Lopez, Ella Mai, and many more stars. Camila Cabello also won 4 awards for New Artist of the Year, Collaboration of the Year, Favorite Song Pop Rock, Favorite Video of the Year for the track Havana featuring Young Thug. Post Malone won awards for Favorite Male Artist, Pop Rock, and Favorite Album, Rap Hip Hop, while Migos won Favorite Duo or Group for Pop Rock. Cardi B walked away with the awards Favorite Artist, Rap Hip Hop, Favorite Song, Rap Hip Hop for Bodak Yellow, Money Moves, and Favorite Song Soul R&B Award for Finesse, her collaboration with Bruno Mars. Khalid won Favorite Male Artist, Soul R&B, while Rihanna won Favorite Female Artist, Soul R&B. Late rapper XXXTentacion won Favorite Album, Soul R&B, whilst Favorite Soundtrack went to Black Panther, the album. The Queens of Reggae Island honorary ceremony was launched yesterday. E-Prime caught up with tribute queen Pam Hall, who expressed her delight at being honored at this year's staging of the ceremony.
This kind of award, there's definitely room for this kind of award in the business. It's not a every year thing for the most popular, but for those who have contributed and continue to contribute and have shown a long-term devotion, really, to music business and Jamaica's music.
2016 Corrick honorary dancehall queen Carleen was also in attendance.
It's an honor to be alive and still be recognized for my contribution in my culture here in Jamaica and around the world. So it's always an honor for me to be honored.
The third staging of the Queens of Reggae Island honorary ceremony is set for Sunday, October 28. Though he's known for making chart-topping hits, award-winning dancehall artist Sean Paul is also a devoted environmentalist. Recently, the Temperature DJ posted a video on social media urging the removal of the Independence Park Limited Storage Facility and Welding Plant, which is in close proximity to the National Stadium swimming pool. Sean Paul, who is an ambassador for climate change and also represented Jamaica in water polo, maintains that the welding plant has caused air pollution in the atmosphere. In response, General Manager for the Independence Park Limited, Major Desmond Brown, has confirmed that the plant will be relocated. Major Brown has since liaisoned with Sean Paul to identify a site for the relocation of the Independence Park Limited. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.